Hello, and welcome back to Bright Lingo. Learn English. I'm Ava.
And I'm Jack. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Are you ready for a very special lesson? Today, we're talking about something very important, our feelings.
That's right. Talking about feelings can be difficult, even in your first language. But it's so important for making friends, for work, and for taking care of yourself.
Exactly. In this video, we will learn simple, clear, and natural ways to say how you feel in English. We promise to go slowly and make it easy for you.
If you're new here, we make weekly videos to help you speak English with confidence. So, if you like this lesson, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a lesson from Bright Lingo.
Let's begin. Part 1, Introduction to Feelings.
Hello, Eva. How are you feeling today?
Well, Jack, I'm feeling excited and a little nervous. I'm excited because I love this topic, but a little nervous because I want to explain it well for our learners.
That's a perfect, honest answer. And I feel happy and grateful to be here with you and all our Bright Lingo friends.
You see, we just talked about our feelings. We used simple words: excited, nervous, happy, grateful.
Let's start with the most common question. How are you? Or, how are you feeling?
Most people say, I'm fine, thanks. But today, we will learn to say more than fine. Let's look at some basic feeling words. We'll put them on the screen for you. Mark, you're smiling so much. What's going on?
I just got some news. I passed my driving test.
Wow, congratulations. You must be so proud.
I am. I was very nervous before the test, but now I feel relieved and really happy. Let me buy you a coffee to celebrate.
That's so sweet. I'm happy for you. And thank you. I'm grateful for the coffee. Did you hear the feeling words? Proud, nervous, relieved, happy, grateful.
Relieved is a very useful word. It means you were worried before, and now you feel better because the worry is gone.
Let's practice a phrase. Repeat after me. I feel relieved.
Part 3. Talking about okay or so-so feelings.
Not every day is amazing, right? Some days we just feel okay or tired. That's normal.
Yes, and it's good to say this honestly. Instead of always saying, I'm fine, you can say,
I'm okay.
not bad,
So-so.
a bit tired,
Or I'm feeling tired.
really busy.
Or I have a lot on my mind.
This means you are thinking about many things.
Let's listen to another conversation. Ben meets his coworker Anna in the morning.
Good morning, Anna. How are you today?
Good morning, Ben. I'm okay, thanks. Just a little tired. I didn't sleep very well last night.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you can rest soon.
Thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just busy as usual. But the weekend is almost here.
That's true. Thinking about the weekend makes me feel a bit better already.
Simple and honest. Anna said, a little tired. And Ben said, not bad. And busy.
Good feelings. Happy. Good. Great. Excited. calm, proud, grateful, content. Okay feelings. Okay, all right, not bad, so-so, tired, busy. Difficult feelings. Sad, bad, angry, worried, nervous, scared, confused, or frustrated.
It's okay to have all these feelings. Everyone has them. The important thing is to know the words to describe them.
Now, let's practice the grammar. It's very simple. You can use I feel plus the feeling word. I feel happy. I feel tired. I am plus the feeling word. I am excited. I am worried. For good, great, okay, all right, we often use I'm. I'm good. I'm okay.
Let's say them together. Repeat after us. We'll pause for you. I feel happy. I am excited. I feel worried. I am tired. Wonderful. You're doing great.
Part 2. Talking about good feelings. Let's start with the nice feelings. Jack, tell me about a time recently when you felt really good. Yesterday, I finished a big project at home. I cleaned my whole apartment. After finishing, I sat down and felt very calm and satisfied. I thought, I did a good job.
That's a great example. You can say, I feel satisfied, or I feel proud of myself.
Yes, let's practice some sentences for good feelings.
When something nice happens, I'm so happy for you, or this is great news. When you are relaxed, I feel really calm today, or I'm feeling at peace. When you are looking forward to something, I'm so excited about the holiday, or I can't wait for the weekend. When you appreciate someone, I'm so grateful for your help.
Now, let's listen to a short conversation. Lisa and Mark are friends at a cafe.
And Anna used a great phrase. That makes me feel a bit better. You can use this for many things. Talking to you makes me feel better. This coffee makes me feel better.
Part 4. Talking about difficult feelings.
Now, let's talk about the more difficult feelings. This is very important. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or worried. Talking about it helps.
Yes, the first step is to name the feeling. Here are some common words. Sad, unhappy, down. Angry, mad, frustrated. Worried, anxious, nervous. Scared, afraid. Confused, lonely.
To make these feelings softer, we can use words like a little, a bit, or kind of. I'm a bit sad. I feel kind of lonely. I'm a little worried.
And we often explain why we feel that way. Use the word because. I feel sad because I miss my family. I'm frustrated because I don't understand this. I'm worried because I have a test tomorrow.
Let's listen to a conversation between two close friends, Sarah and David.
Part 3. Role play. Difficult feelings.
Hi, David. You look quiet today. Is everything all right?
Oh, hi, Sarah. Honestly, not really. I'm feeling a bit down.
Do you want to talk about it?
Thanks. I just had a video call with my parents back home. I miss them. It makes me feel lonely sometimes.
I understand. That's really hard. It's okay to feel that way.
And also, I'm frustrated with my English class. I feel like I'm not improving.
But your English is great. I hear you improving every week. Maybe you're just a little tired of studying. Be kind to yourself.
Thanks, Sarah. Just talking about it makes me feel less alone. I appreciate you listening.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
That was a beautiful example of how to share difficult feelings and how to support a friend.
Did you hear David's words? A bit down, lonely, frustrated. And he used because indirectly. I miss them. It makes me feel lonely.
And Sarah was a great listener. She said, I understand. That's really hard. It's okay to feel that way. These are perfect things to say to someone.
Let's practice a supportive phrase. Repeat after Jack. It's okay to feel that way.
Part 5. Asking about others' feelings and showing empathy. Now we know how to talk about our feelings, but how do we ask others and how do we respond with care? This is called empathy.
To ask, you can use, how are you feeling? Or, is everything okay? Or, are you all right? You look a bit tired or sad. What's on your mind? Do you want to talk about it? Always ask this. Don't force someone to talk.
When someone shares a good feeling with you, you can say, I'm so happy for you. That's wonderful, awesome, great news. Congratulations. You must be so excited.
When someone shares a difficult feeling, you can say, I'm so sorry to hear that. That must be really difficult or hard. Thank you for telling me. This is very powerful. I'm here for you, or you're not alone.
Let's see all of this in one more conversation. This is at work between two colleagues, Maya and Tom.
Hey, Tom, can I talk to you for a minute?
Of course, Maya. Is everything okay? You seem stressed.
Yeah, I am. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I have 3 deadlines this week, and I don't think I can finish everything. I'm worried I'll make a mistake.
I'm sorry you're feeling so much pressure. That must be really stressful. Have you talked to the manager about the deadlines?
Not yet. I feel nervous to ask for help.
I understand. But remember last month when I was overwhelmed? Talking to her helped me. She can maybe change a deadline. You're not alone in this.
You're right. Thank you, Tom. Just saying it out loud makes me feel less worried. And thank you for listening. I feel supported.
Anytime. We're a team. Let me know how it goes with the manager.
Wow, so many useful words and phrases. Stressed, overwhelmed, worried, nervous, supported.
And Tom used great empathy phrases. Is everything okay? I'm sorry you're feeling. That must be really stressful. I understand. You're not alone.
And Maya ended with a positive feeling, supported. Talking about problems often makes us feel supported and less alone.
Now, it's your turn to practice. We'll give you some situations. We'll say the situation, then pause. You say how you feel out loud. Ready?
Situation 1. Your friend gives you a surprise birthday gift. How do you feel? You could say, I feel so surprised and happy. Thank you.
Situation 2. You have to give a presentation in front of people tomorrow. How do you feel? You could say, I feel really nervous about it.
Situation 3. The weather is beautiful, you have no work, and you are reading a good book. How do you feel? You could say, I feel completely relaxed and content.
Situation 4. You don't understand the grammar in your English lesson. How do you feel? You could say, I feel a little confused. I need more practice.
Excellent! You are doing so well. Remember, practice is the key.
Let's do a very quick review of what we learned today. Good feelings: happy, excited, proud, grateful, calm. Okay feelings: okay, tired, busy, so-so. Difficult feelings: sad, lonely, angry or frustrated, worried or nervous, scared. Key phrases: I feel, or I am, or I'm a little. Explain with because. Ask others, how are you feeling? Is everything okay? Show empathy. I'm sorry to hear that. That must be difficult. I'm here for you. The most important lesson: it is always okay to talk about your feelings. Your feelings are important. And now you have more English words to do it.
Wow, Jack! I started this lesson feeling a little nervous, but now I feel really proud and happy.
Me too, Yuva. I feel grateful that we can share this with our Bright Lingo community.
We hope you feel more confident now. Talking about feelings is a beautiful part of being human and connecting with others.
If you found this lesson helpful, please let us know in the comments. You can write, I feel confident, or I feel grateful, or ask a question. We love reading your comments.
And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Subscribe to Bright Lingo and hit the bell for more conversations that help you speak English in real life.
Thank you so much for watching and for practicing with us today. Remember, be kind to yourself on your learning journey.
You're doing great. See you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye.